Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this hairstyle. That's a little crazy. It turned out to be a little bit more crazy than I thought it would be. In my last video, I had curlier hair, and a lot of you guys asked for a tutorial. Now, I'm in New York. Actually, today's my last day, and I really wanted to film this video for you. I just don't have the same tools that I use at home. So I went to Target and I got different tools that I thought it would be similar, but it turned out it's a little bit smaller than the one I have at home, than the curling iron that I have at home. Because you know, it's a different plug, so my tools can't be used in here. So if you want to have curlier hair for summer, if you want to have something, if you want to know how to do something a little bit more fun, keep watching this video. But before we get into it, make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and that you've clicked on that ring bell button. This way you're going to be notified every time I'm posting a new video. Now, if you want to see how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. So this is how my hair looks like after 3 days and 2 workouts. I don't wash my hair after every workout, I just blow dry it a little bit. Now, I have the type of hair that gets extremely dry on my ends, especially now that I have it a little bit lighter. I like to make things easy when it comes to my hair. Basically, what I am going to start with is just sectioning my hair. All this is going to go up. Yeah, like that. I'm going to use now this memory mist. It's from Way. So this is a product that it's supposed to protect your hair from all the hot tools that you're using, and also it holds the styling, the hairstyling that you choose to do. Now I'm going to use this tool. This is from Remington. To be completely honest with you, this is not what I've used at home because I have a European plug, and this I actually just bought from Target. And now I'm going to take smaller sections of hair than what I would normally do. Now this tool, I put it behind the section of the hair and then I twist it like so. Then I let it down like this. So again, behind, and then I literally just twist it. And I'm mostly using the end of this curling iron because, you know, another section, and so on and so forth. And I twist it back away from the, not a professional, I twist it back away from the face. Yep, like this. 1, 2, 3, let it go. Let it go, let it go. If you guys are coming to New York and you want to see a play, I don't care if you're 50 or if you're 12, you have to go see Frozen. You're gonna love it. I mean, you know what? I loved it better than I did Lion King. Now, when I get to the back of my head like this, it's very hard, gotta admit, but I just, you know, do what I can. I'm starting to sweat. Don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Okay, I can do this. Okay, so I take this, I put it behind the piece of hair and I twist it. Okay, I'm done with this part of the hair. I feel like, guys, this is so much smaller than the one that I have at home, so I feel like the curls are so much tighter. Hope I'm not gonna look crazy. Now I'm going to leave another section of hair down. Memory mist again. And now, the same thing, behind the hair, twist it. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. done this whole part. I look really crazy right now. And now I'm going to leave another section like so. Memory mist. This is a teasing kind of a brush, but I don't care. This is the only one that I have right now. I think with the top part, I'm going to use this thicker part in here just because I don't want it to be crazy. I'm coming to an end. I left my last section of hair down, and I've already sprayed with the Way Memory Mist. And now here is the problem, because I have sort of a bangs, and I like to do my part sort of like around my brow, like here. And then here I want a little bit like a looser curl, I guess. Yeah. I did it. So this is the looser curl. Guys, I'm not a professional or anything like that. I watch videos like you on YouTube and I'm like, hey, I want to have that too. And then I try it, and sometimes it works for me, sometimes it's not. I'm taking another piece of hair from here. And you see I'm using the thicker part of the curling iron. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I'm trying to take all the hair from the back, because I know a lot of you are thinking like, how do you do it in the back? Well, like memory mist. And I'm just gonna curl it like so. I don't even know what I'm doing at the back. I don't even know how it looks like. Now I'm just going to loosen them up a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my god. What have I done? This is super curly. No, this is not the look that I was going for. I know my hair very well, and I know that this is going to loosen up. It's not that bad. I'm going to use this grooming cream from Bumble and Bumble, and then just ooh. There's one piece that I haven't done. I'm trying to figure out a way that it actually looks a little bit more like modern, like undone. Guys, you know what? It is what it is. I wish I was doing the curls like right from the roots, because now it looks so fake. Okay guys, so I guess this is it. I know for sure that this is going to loosen up and it's going to look better. Maybe if I have the time throughout the day, I'm going to show you how it looks like a little bit later. But it's very humid in New York, and I'm sure the hair is going to loosen up. Let me know in the comments if you love this, and if you enjoyed this video, if you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already, and please click on the notification button, the ring bell. This way you're going to be notified every time I'm posting a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want. I am very active on Insta stories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!